girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on nuts. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean. Everybody jocking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nelly V. Hope y'all are doing well. As you can tell by the title and where I'm at, I am finally doing a room tour. I have really procrastinated on making this video. Well, not only making this video, but just finishing my room in general. It's just been a struggle because, like, I don't know, buying furniture and buying decor, it's like, it's really trial and error. And I am not the type of person who likes to be, it's frustrating, like, because I'm not a person that's like, I'm a visual person, so I have to buy things, see how they look, then if I don't like them, return them, then I procrastinate on, you know, doing that, buying stuff. And so I got the room, you know, to a livable place, but I wasn't finished like decorating it. So it is finally finished, but funny thing is I'm literally about to move out of this place in like a month, so it's pretty, you know, but at least now I know I'm gonna, you know, the next place I live, whatever, I'm just gonna copy and paste because all the pieces are here. But I'm really proud of it. Like, the vision really came to life. I know it might seem like it, but my favorite color is not purple. But I don't know, from the moment I was moving out, I was like, I just had this vision of like purple, silver, like gray, like let's, you know, let it come together. My favorite color is actually oxblood, and it's a hard color to find and match things. So yeah, but purple is obviously it's in the top 3, it's in the top 5 or something. So yeah, so this is my room. I'm really excited. And also the other thing is that whenever you type in like glam decor or like, you know, bedroom, you know, stuff on Pinterest and stuff, everything that comes up is always pink or blue. There's never any purple. So I'm making this video for people who are purple fanatics like me. Like, I like pink, but my childhood room was pink, so I didn't want to do pink again. And then blue is cool, but actually I really like sky blue or like a, yeah, but still blue. I was like, I don't want blue. I had purple in my head and I wanted to do purple, so it was just like impossible to find inspo. So I'm about to be taking pictures, putting it on Pinterest for people like me, helping out the community, you know, that's what I do. And so yeah, but anyways, regardless, it's finally finished. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to say. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the room and I will try to link stuff, but like I said, it's been 2 years at this point, like, so I don't even know. But anyways, and I hope I remember where I got things, but regardless, I'll do my best to link things. Check the description box or comment below if you want more information on anything, okay? If you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. It's good to see you, okay? And without further ado, we'll get into the tour. All right, so we're gonna start with the vanity. All right, so I got this chair from Wayfair, and the vanity itself is from this company called Boa House, and I loved it for this right here, like this like shelf situation. I don't know, I just really like it. I like that it's like open, and I don't know, like I just really fell in love with it. So yeah, and then here I just have all the stuff that I use, you know, makeup brushes, makeup stuff, perfume, and then I have the lights on, but the lights did not come with it. They're from Amazon, and I just like, they have like, what do you call it, sticky adhesive adhesive to stick them on there. And then I you know, just put the little Polaroids here, and then up here I have a candle. Monica actually got me that candle, birthday card from my parents, and it was purple, so it matched. And then I have my Polaroid, my water lantern thing that I made. If you haven't seen that vlog, go check that out. Big Now Energy, period. And these pictures I got from Amazon. It came with 6, so I have 3 over here. And yeah, So it has two little drawers. And I have other stuff in here, like lashes and stuff. Okay, then we have my nightstand, which I got from Georgia Furniture Mart. So that's like a local place in Georgia. I have this lamp that I got from Amazon. This is what I'm currently reading. I got my books, my journal, devotional, etc. I have a heater because I'm literally always cold. This is my jar of things that, like good things that happen. I'm supposed to write one a day. And this was 2022, but like I dumped out 2022 and put it somewhere else, and now it's 2023. But I haven't written like in a couple weeks, honestly. So yeah. Anyways, then we have these floating shelves. I got these from Amazon. I got this from Etsy because you know my first name is Arnell, so we got the A. Honestly, this was very overpriced, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be bigger for the price I paid, but regardless, it is what it is. This is part of the pictures from over here. So yeah, the floating shelves are, you know, were really easy to install. The shout out to TikTok because I got them from High and Mighty, that brand, and it was just like really easy to install. Like no tools were necessary, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna leave a mark in the wall, so I'm gonna worry about that later because I am a renter and I probably will have to go get some, you know, paint and sealant to fix it, but you know, it is what it is. And then we got my mirror. The mirror I got from Home Goods. So yeah, and then I just added this little flower garland thing that I got from Amazon. I taped it, but it's constantly falling down. So I think in my next place, I'm gonna try to super glue it, but yeah. And then this is my closet, but on my closet, I have what I like to call my heart of affirmations. They're just sticky notes that I put in a heart fashion. My closet, nothing special really about this, but yeah. Then over here we have, what do you call this? A dresser. And this is the same, I got it from Georgia Furniture Mart. Then okay, this thing, I don't know, I had it on my my wish list because I had my friends and family, you know, buy things on an Amazon wish list, and I don't know, it came crooked. This was never standing straight, but anyways, this is my jewelry. Oh, okay. This is my jewelry. Shout out to Christelle for helping me organize these. And then I have this and this because I have so many earrings, y'all, like just literally so many. This is like another thing that's like full of earrings. I can't even open it right now because I need two hands, but yeah. So yeah, and then I have this bulletin board with some pictures. La, 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 la. Then I have this vase. I just got this like a couple weeks ago. I wanted a donut vase, and I have the little gray papa's feathers. I really like how it's arranged. I didn't want it to be like even or like, you know, looking like completely perfect. So yeah. All right, then we have my curtain, which again, flower garland is from Amazon. I think the curtains are for Amazon too. Basically the curtain is standing up by some command hooks. Yeah, and I had some more flowers on the curtain, but it kept falling. I think it was too heavy, so I just have this on the top of it. But yeah, that's the curtain. And then this corner is my just pictures of me, pictures of loved ones. These are actually called mixed tiles, so like they are like tiles, and they come like this, and then you can arrange them however you want. Like they stay sticky. Like I've played around with them, I've put them in different arrangements, and they have still been here. So yeah, I really want this company to sponsor me, to be honest, because I have a bunch of these. I have some on other parts of my room and other parts of my house as well, and I just really love them. So the 4 in the middle are like my favorite pictures of me from different occasions. And yeah, okay. And then I have this little ottoman. I don't even really come to this corner, so it just stays here. And then I have these floating shelves and just other decor that I got from Amazon. Try to do the little fashion books. La 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 la. All right, and so now that brings us to the bed. My favorite part. I have really tried to make this cozy and comfortable. So first of all, this was another thing that was taking me so long because I wanted because you see the way the wall is, like I really wanted something to be up there, but I could never find a sticker. And as you can see, so it says whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God. But even the way it was stacked on top of each other, but I had to, because you know, you can even see that there's different fonts or whatever, but I had to make it take up the whole little thing, or at least the middle. This is a verse from 1 Corinthians 10:31, and yeah. And honestly, I really like this verse because that's what we're here for, to bring glory to God, and everything we do, help others, serve others, you know? So yeah, then we have the painting. This, I really have to go back in my email because I cannot even tell you where I got this from. So yeah. The bed, I think is from Wayfair. I also really like this bed because of the bottom. It has drawers here, and again, I just love storage, built-in storage. So yeah, the pillows, everything. I have like the same pillows, but I kind of mix and match them because I thought that would look better. But yeah, then I have this pillow. I think all the pillows I got from Amazon. I will link that. The sheets also from Amazon as well. This blanket I think I got from Target. And then we have this little tray. I really always wanted a little tray. I have my journal here, and I have the neon lights because I do have some neon lights. I'll turn them on for you. And I have this candle that my mom got me. Usually it's, you know, I don't keep the tray on the bed all day. Obviously, it's just for aesthetics because y'all are visiting me today. But usually the candle is on top over here. But yeah. Yep. So yeah, man, it's so cute. And then I have some more mixed tiles up here. I'm just honestly like such a picture girly, like for real. If I like a picture, I want it, like want it. Like that's why I print pictures. And if you see my office tour, I have pictures all around there. And I try to print new pictures like every 6 months or so. Okay, and this is another little corner here. So first of all, shout out to my friend Christelle. This is her bag, this is her brand. I'm gonna link that for y'all too, okay? It says, that girl dedicated to becoming the best version of me, growing, glowing, and giving myself the grace to bloom effortlessly in all seasons. Okay, yeah, so this was supposed to be like washer dryer, right? They were gonna put washer dryer connections in there, but I wasn't gonna buy a washer or drying machine or whatever. So basically it's just extra closet space. So yeah. Honestly, there's just a lot of stuff in here. This is where I put my shoes. There, you know, it's a little bit messy right now. And I said I was gonna turn on the lights for y'all, so let me do that. Is that just not a vibe? Like, come on. So these 3 lights in the corner randomly, I don't know, they just turned blue one day and I don't know. So, but it's pretty much perfect besides that. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Got some room inspo. Make sure you check the description box for any links or anything like that, and comment again if you have any questions. I want to also shout out my friends and my family who brought things off my Amazon wish list, who helped make this room and the vision come to life. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, okay, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping